Today we're going to talk about our new 6.0 Power Stroke Diesel Iron Core cylinder head. Stay tuned. Our 6.0 Power Stroke Diesel cylinder heads, they fit 2003 through 2010, any application with a 6.0 Power Stroke. Every head we sell, we have an option for O-ringing the deck. And what that is we machine a groove in the cylinder head and we insert a hardened stainless steel wire in the head. And it sticks out just a little bit, about 7 to 8 thousandths out of the deck. And what that does is it helps clamp the combustion sealing area of your head gasket. And we've found over many years of doing this that it can help with blown head gaskets. It's a crucial thing. We do have this option, yes or no, on our website. You can pick. 99% of the people, they pick this option. It's very crucial to keep this area concentric. And we have an advantage with our 5-axis CNC machine where it probes to get this completely concentric all the way around. So when we put this in, you're getting a positive sealing area around the gasket that is absolutely true. Let's talk about airflow. It was really impressive when we started doing the unshrouding on our flow bench. We've seen the results, and that was really what sold us on actually giving this to customers. We've been doing this for a while and real high performance stuff. We've tried different valve jobs and different valve seat angles, and we found that the factory valve seat angles and that mid lift and low lift numbers where it really counts, not peak, but mid and low lift numbers is really where you really want to be, because the camshaft doesn't spend that much time upstairs. It spends it between about 100 lift and about 300 lift. That's where the camshaft's at. Really the sweet spot's about 250. And what we found is doing a 3-angle performance valve job on these actually killed low end airflow. So we leave the factory seat angles when we're doing a valve job, and we unshroud the valves, and that's where we found almost 10% more airflow right out of the box. This head actually flows more than an OEM head because of the port designs, intake and exhaust, but unshrouding them made them even better. This is a really great head for factory replacement, mild performance, and we were really impressed with the airflow that it made. Our Iron Core cylinder heads come with a high quality intake and exhaust valve, stock replacement valve as a standard. These are actually our upgraded valves. This is a forged stainless intake and an Inconel exhaust valve. We have that as an option. We also have 80-pound springs as a standard, and we have 100-pound for the heavy tow applications. Fellows that are running a stage 1 or stage 2 camshaft, we also have that as an option. Machining is crucial. Deck surface is very crucial. When we get these from the foundry, they are not flat. On our 5-axis CNC machine, it actually probes in 5 different areas and finds the lowest spot. On an average, we take between 2 to 3 thousandths off this deck, and our speeds and feeds are very tuned in to get the right RA finish for head gasket adhesion. As a standard on all of our cylinder heads, no matter what they are, 6.0, 6.4 Power Stroke, doesn't matter. For decades we've done this, and I haven't seen anybody else in the industry do this. This is a very crucial thing. If you look at like a factory cylinder head and where they crack at, a lot of times they crack in the seats, but the biggest thing that most machine shops see is the crack between here and here, and here and here, around the globe plug hole. And why they crack? Because they're left as a sharp edge. Even OEM, they leave those as a sharp edge. We've done this for almost 2 decades now. We take a little bit and we actually radius chamfer this glow plug hole right here and also the injector hole to get, after we deck them, to get rid of those sharp edges. And when you get rid of those sharp edges, your cracking basically just goes away. If you like what you see, hop on our website, dynamicdiesel60.com. Thanks for watching.